channel. My name is Megan and I am the body piercer on the journey to losing 100 pounds naturally. I previewed LIIFT4 2 days ago and I can tell you my arms are still like sore. I like love, but I hate that feeling. Like, you know, you worked out, but at the same time you're like, that's how I feel. I have not worked out in 9 months, so this was a really big undertaking for me. I know that a lot of Beachbody programs are really intimidating, especially if you have a lot of weight to lose. So when I did this with the intention of hopefully showing somebody that no matter how much weight you have to lose, or no matter how those people look in the workouts, because most of the time they're all in like really mega good shape, you can still do this workout. It doesn't matter how slow you go. I definitely was even modifying the modifiers because some of the moves I was like, there's no way that I can do it. LIIFT4 is composed of 3 components. So there's a lifting aspect to it, there is a HIIT aspect to it, which a HIIT workout is a high intensity interval training, which is like the mega cardio point where you're gonna see that I almost died, and then the core component of it. It ranges about 40 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes per workout, and it's an 8-week program. The great thing about LIIFT4 that they're promoting right now is that it's only 4 days a week, and then you have 3 rest days. That's about as much of it that I know right now. I'm actually not a Beachbody coach. I'll explain to you more on why I'm not a coach later on. I'll do a whole thing on that, but I just love these programs. I love Beachbody. I love the way they make me feel. I love, you know, feeling like such a little badass with those like 5-pound weights. You know what? That's all I used was the 5-pound weights. I got through the program. I cannot wait for it to come out. I know that if you're not a coach, you can't get the program until October 1st. And I know that if you sign up to be a coach, I think you can get it in July. Either way, right now, it's absolutely free. Even if you don't have an account, if you go to Beachbody On Demand, you can check it out for yourself and then just click on LIIFT4 and you'll be able to do it. I highly recommend, if you have not worked out in a while, that you only use 5-pound weights. For real, you're gonna be like me and be like, So here's my experience with LIIFT4. I kind of like fast forwarded it, so if you wanna try the moves, don't be all like, because the workout is obviously fast forwarded. Trust me, in the past I used to make workout tutorials and people would try and do them 2 times the speed and it was just really bad. So disclaimer on that, and always make sure that you're checking with a physician before doing any sort of workout program. All right, without further ado, here is my experience with LIIFT4. Really hard. And I'm not even doing the real ones. Yes, I'm breathing heavy. Good thing he's freaking hot. take you, you know, the workout's what, 40 minutes? It might take you 60 minutes. You might have to pause it a bunch of times, but you know what? You can do this and you're gonna feel absolutely freaking amazing. Like, wow, I just lifted. Who cares if it was 5 pounds or 2 pounds or 3 pounds? You know what? I just lifted. You feel so freaking empowered. So I highly, highly, highly encourage you to try this workout. It comes out October 1st. Yeah, so definitely think about giving this a try. Yeah, give it a try.